A is for alligator, jumping with a smile. B is for bear, who can dance for a while. C is for cat, purring soft and sweet. D is for dog, wagging tails on the street. E is for elephant, trumpeting loud. F is for fox, sneaking through a crowd. G is for giraffe, stretching up so high. H is for horse, galloping by. I is for iguana, basking in the sun. J is for jaguar, ready to run. K is for kangaroo, hopping with glee. L is for lion, roaring wild and free. M is for monkey, swinging from a tree. N is for newt, peeking quietly. O is for owl, hooting in the night. P is for penguin, waddling just right. Q is for quail, quick and small. R is for rabbit, with ears so tall. S is for snake, slithering fast. T is for tiger, stripes that last. U is for unicorn, magical bright. S is for vulture, circling in flight. W is for whale, singing deep and low. X is for Zeus, with a bushy tail to show. Y is for yak, strong and hairy. Z is for zebra, stripes so merry.